Hi! In front of me is Huawei MatePad Paper, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this tablet. First of all, go into Devices Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Security. Following that, select App Lock and click on Enable. Now tap on the best option for you, lock screen password or custom PIN. I will go with custom PIN, so when I click on it, I need to create it. Then repeat it in order to confirm it. Over here, you need to answer this security question, or if you don't like it, click on it and pick one of those. If you don't like any of them, tap on Custom Question and create your own. Then save it, by choosing OK. Remember to answer it correctly below. When you're ready, select Finish and tap on the switcher next to an app that you wish to lock, in my case, App Gallery. So now when I go back and try to access this app, icons that PIN is now required. If you want to disable app lock from this app, go into exactly the same settings, enter your PIN and tap on the same No Black switcher. In order to disable app lock completely on Huawei, click on this switcher next to app lock feature, choose Disable in the pop-up, and enter your login method one last time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!